Umenju rangba ke jelau konut ke sangma mentang sing ke arpu sau tere unai lor aja arpo ula kentaj ye ke jing bana ku bor bakala don ke jing bethai ha ki jaka bla thep iki khindo jaklia bala sei na ke jing wat uranium ha ke nong ba jindren ke jing te balawan ra ki bor sancha district southwest castle district bar ki purit ke yathu bakamdan setia kano kano ke jing bethai laban kedo hangne ba KSU southwest castle district ke bla julet jureb iki southly ki jaka thep iki khindo ki basai na ke bawat marpo khindo uranium ki thaleo ki bapai ki lanang he kat banang mi kisngi.
We immediately informed UCIL, we informed the Deputy Commissioner and the SP, and they have gone to those sites to survey the location. And the initial report that has come officially to us by the DSP out there has said that no such leakage has been there. And there's no such incident that has taken place where there has been an exposure or a crack or explosion of any kind of these kind of tanks that was being mentioned in the press. So the initial report that has come to us by the administration and by the DSP out there is that no such incident has taken place.